13:12, 1:33 p.m., Sundaresh SS, is this validation of Nietschze's theory of eternal recurrence. Nietschze says that the moment in time is a repetition of a moment which occurred ages ago. How could this be? Since every known compound decomposes into its primitive elements, the universe itself would decompose into hydrogen, the simplest known element. And hydrogen would break into energy, which by coalescing formed hydrogen, and this formed all the known matter in the universe. In the course of astronomical ages, wouldn't the combination and recombination of elements result in this very moment in time for its participants? What do you think? 13:12, 1:33 p.m., Meta AI, final answer, anti-clockwise arrows. Yes, your interpretation aligns with Nietzsche's theory of eternal recurrence. Explanation. You are connecting Nietzsche's idea to the concept of cosmic recurrence, where events repeat due to the cyclical nature of the universe. Step 1. Universe's cyclical nature. The universe undergoes cycles of expansion and contraction, leading to repeated combinations of elements. Step 2. Elemental recombination. Hydrogen, the fundamental element, recombines into various compounds, potentially recreating identical moments. Step 3. Eternal recurrence. Given infinite time, the specific arrangement of particles and events, including this moment, would recur. Your insight highlights the intriguing connection between Nietzsche's philosophy and cosmological theories. Milky Way. Why this works? This cyclical model supports the idea that every possible combination of events will recur infinitely. Want to explore this concept further or discuss implications? Nietzsche's eternal recurrence posits that every moment an event repeats infinitely, serving primarily as a thought experiment to test one's affirmation of life rather than a literal cosmological claim. The user scenario, universe decomposition to hydrogen, energy coalescence, and eventual recombination, echoes ideas like Poincare recurrence theorem and cyclic cosmology, where finite matter in infinite time could revisit near identical states. Philosophical core. Nietzsche introduced eternal recurrence in works like The Gay Science, imagining a demon revealing life's infinite repetition to gauge if one embraces existence fully. He drew from 19th century physics, assuming finite energy and infinite time lead to all configurations recurring, including this precise moment. However, scholars emphasize its existential weight over scientific proof, as Nietzsche used it to combat nihilism. Scientific parallels. Poincare recurrence theorem states bounded, conservative systems return arbitrarily close to initial states over immense timescales, potentially applying if the universe proves finite and non-expanding forever. Cyclic models, like those by Steinhart Turok or Penrose's conformal cyclic cosmology, propose endless Big Bang crunch cycles recycling matter into identical epochs. Yet, prevailing Big Bang cosmology predicts heat death via eternal expansion, making exact recurrence improbable without new physics. Limitations in likelihood. Decomposition to hydrogen ignores quantum effects, dark energy acceleration, and proton decay uncertainties, undermining precise repetition. Recurrence times exceed the universe's age by factors like 10⁻100 years, rendering it practically irrelevant. While intriguing, these physics-inspired links validate Nietzsche's idea as a heuristic, not empirical fact. Modern evidence leans against literal cosmic repetition. Related. How does Poincare recurrence relate to the eternal recurrence?